Sports stars are people who dedicate their lives to sports and they are well known all over the world for their records and achievements. In today's class, we will learn about some sports and sports stars. Chapter 53 Sports Stars. Hockey. Hockey is a sport in which two teams play against each other by trying to punk into the opponent's goal using a hockey stick. There are many types of hockey such as bandy, field hockey, ice hockey and rink hockey. Dhyan Chand, the hockey wizard who had the world on his stick with 3 Olympic gold medals. He was the poster boy of Indian hockey for decades. Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. For many, Dhyan Chand is simply the greatest field player of all. Wrestling. Wrestling is a combat sport involving grappling type techniques such as clinch fighting, throws and takedowns, joint locks, pins and other grappling holds. The sport can either be genuinely competitive or sportive entertainment. Wrestling in India is also known as Dangal and it is the basic form of wrestling tournament. It is also called Kushti in Punjab and Haryana. Sushil Kumar is an Indian wrestler. His 2008 Olympic medal was second for India in wrestling and in July 2009 he received the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna, India's highest honor for sportsperson. Golf is a club and ball sport in which players use various clubs to hit balls into a series of holes on a course in a few strokes as possible. Jeev Milkha Singh is an Indian professional golfer who became the first player from India to join the European Tour in 1998. The Government of India awarded him the civil honor of Padma Shri in 2007. Tennis is a racket sport that can be played individually against a single opponent of 2 players each. Each player uses a tennis racket that is strung with cord to strike a hollow rubber ball covered with felt over or around a net and into opponent's court. Vijay Amrit Raj is an Indian sports commentator, actor and retired professional tennis player from Madras. He was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honor in 1983. Football or soccer is a team sport played with a spherical ball between 2 teams of 11 players. Baijeng Bhutia is an Indian former professional footballer who played as a striker. Bhutia is considered as the torch-bearer of Indian football in the international arena. He is often nicknamed the Sikkimi Sniper because of his shooting skills in football. 3-time Indian Player of the Year I. M. Vijayan described Bhutia as God's gift to Indian football. Badminton is a racket sport played using rackets to hit a shuttlecock across a net. Although it may be played with larger teams, the most common form of the game are singles and doubles. Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton player, a former world number 1. She has won over 24 international titles, which includes 11 Super Series titles. Shooting sports is a collective group of competitive and recreational sporting activities involving proficiency tests of accuracy, precision and speed in shooting. Abhinav Abjeet Bindra is an Indian businessman and retired sports shooter. He is the first and one of the only 2 Indians to win an individual Olympic gold medal. Jaspal Rana is an Indian shooter. He was a gold medalist. At present, Rana coaches at the Jaspal Rana Institute of Education and Technology in Dehradun. A game for two people played on a billiard table in which three balls are struck with cues into pockets round the edge of the table. Pankaj Arjun Advani is Indian billiards and snooker player. He is a 23-time world champion. Geet Sethi is the Indian billiard player who ruled the sport for billiards throughout the 1990s. India registered its best ever tally of 7 medals at the Olympics as it secured 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medals in Tokyo. Neeraj Chopra, who won India's first ever Olympic gold in athletics in javelin. Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting, silver medal. PV Sindhu, bronze medal in badminton. India men's hockey team, bronze medal. Ravi Dahiya, wrestling, silver medal. And Bajrang Punia in wrestling, bronze medal. We are all so proud of the outstanding performances of our sportsmen and sportswomen in Tokyo Olympics. That's all for today. Thank you.